How to fix sorry, we couldn't complete your request on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you are going to go on the Instagram account. Now you are going to go on the profile option that is located down below, and then you have to go on these signs that are located up above, and then you have to go on the settings option. In the settings option, there are different kinds of option over here. Then go to accounts option, and in here you can see all of your options over here. Make sure you change your account type, change to business account for some time, switch account. And if this doesn't solve your problem, then you have to go back and go to the Instagram and press it for a long time, and then go to this eye option that is located up above. Click on that. As you click on this option, then you have to go down and go to storage option and clear the cache for your device. As you clear the cache for your device, then this problem will be definitely gone away. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.